Dear students, in previous lectures we have studied about the basis and dimension of the vector space. Today we will discuss some more theorems on the basis of the vector space. Today we will discuss the extension theorem of the vector space. What is the statement of this theorem? Every linearly independent subset of a finite dimensional vector space over the field F is a basis of the vector space, or it can be extended to become a basis of the vector space, or in another word we can say this Li set is a part of the basis. In all three ways we have to show that, we have to prove this theorem. Let V be a finite type vector space and let its dimension be n. B is a generating set containing V1, V2, Vn. So this is a basis. Let S be another set containing U1, U2, Um. It contains m vectors. It is a Li. Then we have to show that this set can be extended to become a basis. It means it is a subset of B, or we will uh, construct a basis for the vector space in which U1 to Um are contained in that. So since B is a basis, so it generates vector space B. So let us consider a set B dash, which is union of S and B. So this set will contain U1, U2, U3, Um, V1, V2 and Vn. It contains just m plus n vectors. Obviously that this B dash generates the vector space. Now if this B dash is Li, then B dash is said to be basis, hence theorem is proved out. If B dash is not Li, then this set will be LD. So we know a theorem that in a vector space a list is LD, a set subset is LD, then some one vector of the list can be expressed as a linear combination of its preceding vectors. So this set is LD. It means this set contains some vectors which prevent to be which went to be Li. So by removal theorem we can remove Bk Uk from this list B dash. Then we find a new set B dash, B double dash, U1, the all elements except Uk. Now this list B double dash, this set B double dash is also generates through the vector space, but it is Li, then this will be basis, otherwise no. Otherwise it will be LD. So finally we know that theorem, every finite dimensional vector space has a basis. So we will get a basis. Hence after this. So finally, the list contains m vectors plus some other vectors vi. So we know that. So we conclude that this set is Li, this set is a basis. Hence, this set is a part of the basis or any Li list, Li set in the vector space can be extended to become a basis. Hence the theorem.